Right here, I'm going to tell you. And I want to, he sung with us last year, did a song. That old Beth Bella song, I Know He Heard My Prayer. Now, Brian, can you borrow your microphone?
It's right there. I fought hard for this job.
That isn't.
The clouds have passed away. I see the light of day. The sun is shining through, dispelling gloom. With hallelujahs I know that this is real.